Hey everyone, today I've got the ceiling fan. Today we're going to make a video on it. This is a ceiling fan motor. As you can tell, it spins. It spins rather well, actually, for its size. Anyway, if I get something like this, put on something flat, you'll be able to see it spin. Just like that. Now, I got no idea what brand this ceiling fan is, but although it spins pretty well though. It is a little bit of rubbing on inside because I haven't connected it yet, and it's got pieces of wire just like going like that. Just like that inside. Yeah, I love this thing though, it's pretty cool though. Watch this. Watch. It sounds like a helicopter. Yeah. This thing is amazing. This thing is 240 volts, 50 hertz, 0.25 amps, 60 watts. So this thing is pretty good. It came with this gigantic stem. It came with this gigantic stem here. And I'll move that to the side. Pretty much came with this gigantic stem right here. Pretty much actually goes like this. It's pretty cool though. Awesome. That's what this fan is made for. Plus I will be getting one in my room as well. I will get one in my room eventually when I have enough money to do it, to get it. It's gonna have one with a built-in light fixture and the fan at the same time. That will spin. Because sometimes I get pretty hot in bed and yeah, I just need a fan like this. Who knows, I'll probably get a red one or something. A metal one. Metal blades. That'd be cool. If you watch this, see how fast I can spin it. Ooh, that's fast. See how well this thing spins. Really, really neat. And this is my first ceiling fan I've ever found in my life for free in the trash. Yeah, I love this fan. Yeah, guys, I also wanted to so you can pull the switch off here. This is called a reverse switch. Down, up. You've got these wires left over here. This is a little orange nut here as well. Locking nut. So hang on, if I screwdriver again. Sorry, I have trouble with my leg because every time I stretch it out, it clicks really, really, really bad. So that's why I don't bend it as often. That's the way I do it. Alright, so this one has a bit of trouble. Right, and you get a hammer of some sort, and you get this. Oh, go in between your legs like that. Do that, and it just pops up, pops out. Simple. Something's not right. Huh. Oh well, I guess I can't really find the problem, so I guess it's about the end of this video. Make sure it spins freely. It's like 8:30 at night right now. Just check how it spins properly. Yeah, it spins alright. Anyway guys, that's about the end of this video. If you did enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.